Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a new immobilizer for the latest model Cadillac Escalade. The installation is done right here, underneath the steering wheel where the system connectors are located. Unplug it, then connect one plug from our immobilizer device to the car's connector, and the second plug to the system cable. You can activate the device manually by pulling the high beam lever 4 times. Let me show you how it works in real time. We're going to activate it manually. Pull the high beam lever 4 times. The device is now active, and you're ready to start the car. If you're interested in purchasing the product, visit superkilometerfilter.com. Our team will be happy to help you find and install the right device for any car model. Good luck out there, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.